Did you know you can now make real money just by creating AI music and posting it on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube Music, and AudioMac without being a musician or knowing anything about music production? AI can now create the music for you completely. All you do is post it, people listen to it, and you get paid directly. No studio, no instrument, no experience needed whatsoever. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step. All you need to do is watch this video to the very end and I will show you everything. Let us jump straight into it right now.
Started is to create our own music. And to create our own music, what we need to do is to head over to ChatGPT. You can use your phone to do this. You can also use your laptop. Anyone you can use. So if you are like me, who don't know how to write music, or you are not a musician, you don't know how to write music, and you want to write a professional music that will trend very well, a music that will go viral very well, all you need to do is just to head over to ChatGPT like this, and you paste this prompt. This prompt I just pasted right now. You are going to paste this prompt. So if you need this prompt, I'm going to leave down the link to this where you are going to get this prompt. I'm going to leave the link in the comment section of this video or the description of this video. Just check it out and you are going to see where you are going to get this prompt. And it is not only this prompt, you are going to see where you are going to get different type of prompts that you can use to generate videos, generate music, anything you want to generate with AI, you can use the prompt. So all you just need to do, just paste this prompt on ChatGPT, and when you paste this prompt, you are going to see where it says song idea. As you can see where it says song idea. So just remove this like this. Just remove this and you put your own song idea, any type of music you want to create. So I want to create rap music. Let me say rap music. Rap music about let's say about life. So or if you have anybody music you want to sing and you want to create that kind of person music, you can put the person music here and just put the person name here and it's going to write that kind of music for you. Let me say let me say which person music will I even put. My favorite artist is DJ AB. He's an Hausa rapper. Maybe you know him or not. So I would say write rap music about life. Like let me say like DJ AB music style. So I want to use DJ AB music style for example. So I will write DJ AB write music like okay like DJ AB music style. So this is the type of music I want. And you come here, why you say music here, you can choose anyone here. So I would like Afrobeat rap song. So you can delete anyone, you can delete all these ones here. You can delete all these ones. Anyone you don't like, you can remove them. You can just replace it to fit your own music style. So anyone you feel like, let's say I will remove all these things here. I will remove this one just to get my own music this thing. So music mode, which one do you need? Do you want it happily? Do you want it sad? Do you want it romantic, emotional, inspiration, party? So anyone motivation. So I want it to be emotional. So I will remove all these ones and I will leave only emotional here. So as you guys see, I'm doing it. That is why we are going to do it. So this is this master prompt will give you everything. So just remove all these things here and you leave it on emotional, the one you like. So how did you want your music? Language, English, Pidgin, Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo, Nupe, or which one? So I'm Nupe by tribe. So I'm going to leave it at Nupe and let's say I'll mix it Nupe, Hausa, and English. Or I can decide to leave it these three languages, mix it with these languages. So as you can see, these three languages is what I will use. So now, after that, target audience. Who are my audience? Who do you want to create your music for? So I will say maybe let me use TikTok. I want to use it for TikTok because I want to target audience from TikTok. So let's say TikTok. And after putting TikTok here, then how long do you want your music? You can also select that. We are doing this just to get a professional music. Let's say 3-minute music or 2 minutes. So I'm going to leave it at 3-minute music. Then after that, your response. If you have other things to write, you can include it. If you don't have anything, you just click on generate. And I will also include my name here. Let me include my name here. This first place, I will include my name here. I will say music, music by Numpe Flavor, because that is my popular name, Numpe Flavor TV. So now, after that, I will click on generate here. And when I click on generate, ChatGPT is going to write the music for me. I'm just showing you guys how you can write a professional music. If you don't know how to write music, you don't know how to write lyrics, this is the method you are going to follow. The master prompt you are going to get in the comment section of this video is going to write everything for you. Now, as you can see, this is the music. As you can see, this is the lyrics here. Now, you see the lyrics and say, yeah, Nupe Flavor TV. There's no one for anybody where they also no give up. So this is the lyrics, verse, everything. And you can see here, finally, everything you need. The music style, as you can see, the prompt you can use for your cover, music style generation, everything. ChatGPT is going to write it for you. As you can see, your album cover here and your social media promotion. If you want to promote the music, this is how you are going to promote the music, everything. So ChatGPT is going to write everything for you just because you use that master prompt. So after ChatGPT writes everything for you, what you just need to do, just come down to where it says lyrics here. You copy from intro here. As you can see, you copy everything down. You copy it, you copy it up till you get to the final chorus, as you can see, to outro. So this is our music. We are going to copy everything like this. After we copy it, the next thing we are going to do is to head over to an AI tool which you can use to generate our own music. So this is the AI tool I'm going to be using. So the link to this AI tool is going to be in the description of this video. So if you want to use this AI tool, you can use it. You can use any other AI tool, but I prefer using this AI tool because it gives you a perfect music. In fact, any music you generate from this website is going to look so nice. So all you just have to do, just register on the website. You are going to see the link in the comment section of this video, and you come back to where you say own lyrics. As you can see, own lyrics, you put it here, and after you put that own lyrics here, you paste that prompt you just copy, the lyrics you just copy, you paste it here, and after you paste it, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT. Now, coming down to ChatGPT, you are going to copy where it says create music. As you can see, music style here, vocal style. As you can see, vocal style here. You copy everything like this. You copy it. And after you copy it, you go back to the AI tool again, the music AI tool, and you paste, you come down here where it says style, and you paste your style here. And after you paste your style, you come down here, your title. You can put your title. So let me just put Numpe Flavor TV. Let me put Numpe Flavor TV 444 because I have a lot of music with these names. So local, where is the vocal gender? If you are a male, you put male. If you are female, you put female. Or if you wanted to use randomly, you can choose anyone. But I'll be using male. So after you select male here, as you can see, number of songs to generate. I'll put it. You can select 2, you can select 3, you can select 4. But I always like to put my own 2. So advanced here, you can also come to this advanced and you increase this awareness. You increase it small. This is style influence. You also increase it. And after you increase it, the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate music below here. Just click on this generate music. And when you click on generate music, it will start generating your music for you here. So after some minutes, just give it some minutes, it's going to generate the music. And you are going to see how perfect this music is going to be because this website, it generates music for you very perfectly. You can use other AI tools, any one of your choice. But I prefer using this AI because if you subscribe to this AI, you are using this AI, the pro version, your music, you can upload it on any other platform. Some AI tools will generate music for you, but you cannot upload them to other platforms. But this AI tool, if it generates music for you, you can upload it to other AI tools. So as you can see, and you can also do a lot of things on this platform. If you are you want to write music lyrics, you can see them here. You want to cover music, You can also generate your vocal song. You can do AI music video. You can also do music video on this AI tool. I'm going to show you how you're also going to do that music video so that you can turn your music to video. I'm going to show you guys on my next video. Now, this is our music here. Let me play the first one so that you guys are going to see and listen to how the music is going to be. It does not generate the music finish, but we can listen to it. Let's play it. Now, you can see the music. Let me increase the volume. Among of these two music, anyone will like. After you generate the music, you can decide to download it to your phone, and you download it, you just save it, and I'm going to show you the next thing you are going to do after generating this music. I'm going to show you the next thing to do. As you can see, the music has not generated finish, but after the music generates, we are going to download anyone. Just listen to both of it, the one you like most. You download it and you are going to upload the music on a platform that will distribute your music to Facebook, TikTok, in fact, all these music streaming platforms, Spotify, Boomplay, Apple Music, everywhere. The platform is going to distribute your music to those places. So it has generated this music. Now, as you can see, so this is the second one. I prefer the second one. If you are not okay with it, you can regenerate it again. So I'll just click on these three dots and you're going to see download here, as you can see. Then you bring it to MP3 and you click on download, and the music is going to download to your phone. Now, after the music downloads to your phone, the next thing we are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT. Now, when you come down to ChatGPT, you come down here, as you can see where it says album cover. So album cover here. So if you want to generate your album cover, all you just need to do, just copy this album cover prompt here. As you can see, you just copy it. ChatGPT is going to write everything for you because you use our master prompt. Now, after you copy it, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT to generate the cover for you. So if you have your own image you want to use, you can upload your own image. So just come down to this plus icon, you click on add photos, and when you click on add photos, if you have your own image, you can upload your own image. I think I have one of my image here because I don't normally save my image to my phone. So let me check. Okay, this is my image, but I don't like this. Let me check for another one again. Let me check. If you have your own image, you can use your own image. I don't think I have any of my image here. Let me check this. Okay, this is my image. I don't like that one also. Okay. For example, if this is my image, I want to use this image. No, I don't want to use this image. Let me just forget. If you have your own image, just upload your image, and after you upload your image, you paste this prompt here, and you click on you paste the prompt, then you click on generate. And when you click on generate, ChatGPT is going to generate the cover picture you are going to use to upload your music. It's going to generate it for you. So just leave it some minutes and ChatGPT is going to generate it for you. And after I generate it for you, the next thing I'm going to do is to show you where you're going to upload your music. Now, all you need to do is to head over to the description of this video. You are going to see the third link. And the third link is going to take you to this website. So the next thing you are going to do, the first link you are going to see in the description of this video, you just click on the link. And when you click on the link, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now on this interface, you are going to see different type of package. We are going to be uploading our music to all social media platforms using DistroKid, because DistroKid is one of the best platform that can distribute your music to Facebook, to TikTok, to Instagram, to any streaming platform that you are seeing people music. This is where you can distribute your music to those brands. It can distribute your music to anywhere you want. And all you just need to do, you can see they have different type of package which you can pay for which you can pay for that you can use to distribute your music. As you can see, this one, it is 3,250 naira per month, and your music is going to be distributed. And you can see they also have second package here. They have third package here. So it depends on the one you think you can go for. So anyone, you can just click on it and you upgrade. So for example, if you want to go for this one, if you're a starter, you don't have enough money with you and you want to start, you can go for this 3,250 naira per month. So all you just need to do is just click on pick me. As you can see, you click on pick me. While you are using this, you distribute your music to any social media platform like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, as you can see, any platform. As you can see, it is written here. Say what is next. You will be able to upload unlimited music to Spotify, Apple Music, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere else, all your year long, and we will send you 100% of your earnings every month without taking a cut in join. So as you can see, if you subscribe right now, it's going to take you to where I'm going to take you to right now. When you upload your music, you upload your art cover, everything, and they are going to be the one to distribute, post your music to those platforms. And when they post your music to those platforms, when people listen to your music, you are going to be seeing your money on your balance. Anybody that use your sound, use your music, you are going to be getting paid for it. If anybody listening to your music, people download your music, you are going to be getting paid for it. So all you just need to do now, let's go back to ChatGPT and check. Maybe ChatGPT are generating our art cover. Now, as you can see, the art cover ChatGPT generated for us, you can see the art cover here. So all you just need to do is just to click on download, and it's going to download this to your phone. As you can see, you click on download and it's going to download it to your phone. Now, after you download it, the next thing you are going to do, after you have successfully upgrade your package, let me show you how you are going to upload your music on this platform. So let me log in into my account and show you guys how you can upload your music. First thing you are going to see is going to bring you to an interface like this. This interface is brought you to, this is where you are going to select where you want to distribute your music to. As you can see, all these streaming platforms, you are going to see everything like this. So you need to select all this, but make sure it is all selected so that your music is going to be distributed to everywhere. And after that is selected, the next thing you are going to see, it is where you are going to see social media here. So make sure you also click on this social media, and after you click on this social media, this is you are telling him to distribute your music to across other social media like Facebook or social media platform, even YouTube Music, and it's going to do that. And the next thing, you are going to fill in the artist name, who writes the song, all these informations here, you are going to fill it. And after that, you are going to upload your music. And after you upload your music, you come down, you are also going to see where you are going to upload your art cover. All this information you are seeing here, make sure you upload them. After you upload them, you click on submit, and immediately you click on submit, your music will be live. I don't want to show you guys my balance right now, because if I show you guys for some security purpose, so but if you keep doing this, you generate music, you take it here, you be uploading your music, people from TikTok, Facebook, everywhere will see your music. You tell your friends, you just drop new music, and you also promote the music. You give it to people to promote it for you, and the more they promote it, the more money you'll be making. So after that, you can come down to ChatGPT again. You can come down to ChatGPT if you want to promote your music. As you can see, social media promotion, short caption, life to know easy. So this is what you are going to post on your social media and how you are going to promote your music. So on our next video, I'm going to show you how you can also make money with AI music videos, how you can create AI music and turn them to video and be posting them on like YouTube and other social media platforms, and how you'll be making money from it. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.